It's Monday. The plan is Menai Strait, Llanberis Pass, then lunch in Ironbridge. I'm just taking a photo of Thomas Telford suspension bridge. Wow.
Here it is.
In memory of the US Air Force crew.
We're now following the A5 along the River Dee, which is down there. Very nice, very pretty. Lovely rolling landscape. A lot of traffic though, and a lot of these double white lines. Oh, get in there. Solid whites everywhere. A lot of little towns, a lot of construction traffic and temporary roadworks today. But still, beautiful hill country, sheep fields, and the river. Some campsites down there. It's very nice. Very nice. Don't think I'd ever ridden down the A5 all this way. It is always nice to see different parts of the country and different character of places and houses and little villages. Doesn't look very prosperous here. Looks fairly abandoned. That's the problem with a lot of wealth concentration in the big cities and not enough being invested to other communities. This teapot says no shores. I need a toilet at some point though. I passed a few and I regret now having passed them. 5 miles to toilets. There you go. So no need to contribute to the greenery. Right. Well, let's switch you off so I don't incriminate myself too much.
We're in Llangollen, or Llangollen, or however it is that you pronounce it.
I'm not entirely sure. Seems like a nice place. The river is running through it. I think it's the River Dee. I'm not entirely sure. Lots of Welsh dragons everywhere, except on a sticker for my bike. I still have to find one of them. Seems like quite a busy little town, Llangollen. The journey continues along the A5 for another 3 miles. Then we're going to turn to the left. There we go. View opens up from a meadow and a river and a national.
So there's the Pontcysyllte Aqueduct, and the canal carries on that way. There's the Anglo-Welsh Canal Club or whatever. And I had tea there at the this chapel, converted chapel, tea room. which is very nice. Well worth a visit and a walk. I got some nice views of the aqueduct, one of the two. Get some more views of the aqueduct from the lower bridge at the bottom. There's the river. There's the aqueduct.
And we're back in England. It's hot. So that was Ironbridge. Very interesting, very nice. We'll have to come back one day wearing shorts to enjoy a bit more. But yeah, that's my route today back from Ireland. My solo route started in Bangor. We stopped at the Pontcysyllte Viaduct. We stopped at Ironbridge, and now we just gotta. I just said to TomTom, take me home by the fastest route. So the rest of the day is going to be main roads and back home, back to the family, get ready for work tomorrow. I've been away for a week, so I expect there's a little pile of stuff for me to do. So let's best get a move on, eh? Best get a move on. Alright, well everybody, thanks so much for watching. I'm not sure what sequence this is going to come up in, whether I've already put the island videos up, or I don't even know if I'm going to make one video for Ireland or several, and one for each day, to be decided. But I've had a wonderful time. Mentally I feel much better now. I just have to get back into the work routine. But yeah, in a good place right now, in a good place. Ready to crack on with the year, rest of the year, make a success out of things. So thank you for coming along. Do leave your thoughts, comments, suggestions down in the comment section. If you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing. I hope to catch you in a future video. But for now, from Ironbridge, on my way back to the big smoke of London, this is a Noob out. That's what the TomTom's been doing, completely rebooting itself in the middle of a bloody route. At least this time it's remember that it's supposed to be on a route, I think.